EdX Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this EdX Review. Links to the platform and courses are provided in the description below. EdX is a leading online learning platform that offers high-quality courses from top universities and institutions worldwide, including Harvard, MIT, and UC Berkeley. Whether you're looking to advance in your career, learn a new skill, or even earn a full degree, edX provides a flexible, accessible way to learn. With a range of free and paid courses, it's perfect for professionals, students, and lifelong learners alike. One of the most compelling features of edX is its diverse course catalog. It covers a wide array of subjects, from computer science, business, and engineering to humanities, arts, and social sciences. The platform allows learners to choose from professional certificates, micromaster's programs, and full online degrees, offering a pathway to academic and career advancement. Whether you're seeking short courses or comprehensive degree programs, edX offers learning options tailored to a variety of needs. edX stands out for its commitment to providing high-quality, university-level education at an affordable price. While many of its courses are free to audit, there is also the option to pay for certificates and credentials, which can add significant value to your resume. The platform's courses are taught by experienced professors and industry experts, ensuring a rigorous, real-world curriculum that's both practical and engaging. The platform is user-friendly, offering a smooth learning experience across different devices. edX courses are designed for flexible learning, allowing you to study at your own pace. You can interact with instructors, fellow students, and participate in discussion forums, making it an interactive and collaborative learning environment. In conclusion, edX is an excellent option for anyone looking to enhance their skills, earn credentials, or pursue a degree from a prestigious institution. With its vast selection of high-quality courses, flexible learning options, and strong focus on real-world application, edX offers tremendous value for learners at any stage of their career. Check out the links in the description to explore edX's offerings and start your learning journey today.